All right, this is just a short video with my crazy hair to talk about why I want children to stop when they hit a stuck point on their homework and to write down what they know. The reason being is each student understands mathematics in their own way. And I think we all learn differently and we all have different styles of learning. So it's important to not reinforce the belief that there's one way to do mathematics by stopping a student where they are and what they're doing and completely showing them another way. And so by having them stop when they get to a stuck point and they can't go any further, even if you've pressed them with questions, is helpful because then we can pick up where they left off and elaborate on that understanding and really help them work through any misunderstandings they've had so that they can continue to take the understanding that they've had and apply it. Because most of the time they do have some grasp, but there's something going wrong somewhere in the understanding of the problem, the making sense of it, or in the computation. And oftentimes pressing children to look over their own work, they find out where their own mistake was. Now, if they have no understanding of what they're doing, again, this can prove to be very difficult for them and frustrating, which is why I want them to stop when they hit a point where they're completely exhausted and they don't know what they're doing, and to bring into me, what they do know about the problem so that we can sort through their understanding and elaborate on that and bridge whatever gap they're missing based on their own understanding, as opposed to cutting them off and saying, okay, no, this is how you solve this problem. You can say, this is how I would solve this problem. How does this relate to what you've done or to what you understand? That's totally awesome because the more that they see the connections between the different patterns in mathematics that enable us to solve one problem many ways and use algorithms, the better able they are to figure out and make sense of mathematics in their way, in a way that works best for them.